But of course, we can do more than just line graphs, even though line graphs is probably one of the most common you'll use. Let's say we wanted a bar chart. Well, again, same principle and really easy. So again, I've got my data to plot. I've got here, I've got for my x-axis, I've got some strings that will represent the categories on my bar chart, and I've got number of hours of teaching, which is going to be my y-axis. So again, I set up my figure object and my axes object using plt.subplots. I set my x label and my y label, all exactly the same as before. The only difference is now I call ax.bar rather than ax.plot, and ax.bar gives me a bar chart, and I pass in the data that I want to plot. So I want to plot HSMA trainers against hours of teaching. Easy. I could create a scatter plot if I so wanted. Again, same principle, import the library, here's my data, set up my figure and axes objects, set my x and y axis labels, and rather than ax.plot, I'll call ax.scatter, and I pass in plot A against B, and that's a scatter plot of this data against this data.